So in this video I am going to share welfare measures to be taken in a factory for the workmen employed therein as per the Factory Act 1948. This is very important for your examination point of view. This topic already comes in December 2019 examination, which is carries 8 marks, and this is your lecture number 18. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. As you know that welfare measures in a factory mentioned in section 42 to section 50. Section 40 to section 50 under chapter V. Under chapter chapter V of Factory Act 1948. अच्छा, so welfare means what? Welfare means well-being. Welfare means well-being. That means किसी को सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करना, किसी को सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करना. ओके, वेलफेयर मीन्स वेल-बींग, मीन्स किसी को सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करना, राइट. एंड द नीड फॉर adoption of welfare measures is to increase the workers productive efficiency. वेलफेयर मेजर्स का मतलब और ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है टू इंक्रीज productive efficiency. The main objective of this provision is to provide basic welfare amenities, facilities to the workers. And section 42 to section 50 under chapter V of the Factory Act 1948 mention all such welfare measures, right. So first start number 1, washing facilities. Washing facilities coming under section 42, coming under section 42, section 42, right. washing facilities क्या है? Means as per section 42 book mentioned that in every factory adequate and suitable facilities for washing shall be provided and maintained for the use of the workers. Separate and adequately screened facilities shall be provided for the use of male and female workers. That is washing facilities. washing facilities section 42 कहता है कि every factory में adequate and suitable facility for washing shall be provided. Adequate and suitable facilities for washing shall be provided. To whom? And maintained for the use of the workers. Separate and adequately screened facilities shall be provided for the use of male and female workers. Then second, facilities for storing and drying clothing. Facilities for storing and drying clothing falling under section 43. Section 43. Remember, all sections are important. Section 43. Facilities for storing and drying clothing. Section 43 says that the state government may, in respect of any factory or class or description of factories, make rules requiring the provision therein of suitable place for keeping clothing not worn during working hours and for the drying of wet clothing. Okay, as per section 43, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट क्या करता है? इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी फैक्ट्री मेक रूल्स रिक्वायरिंग द प्रोविजन देयर इन ऑफ सुइटेबल प्लेस फॉर कीपिंग क्लोथिंग. सुइटेबल प्लेस फॉर कीपिंग clothing which is not to be worn out. Clothing which is to be not worn out ड्यूरिंग वर्किंग आवर्स, वर्किंग आवर के समय कोई भी डिस्टर्ब या फिर कोई भी ओन आउट ना हो, इसलिए फैसिलिटी बनाया गया है एज पर सेक्शन 43, राइट। देन नंबर 3, फैसिलिटीज फॉर सीटिंग, फैसिलिटीज फॉर सीटिंग कमिंग अंडर सेक्शन 44, सेक्शन 44, remember section 44, facilities for seating, फैसिलिटीज फॉर सीटिंग, सेक्शन 44, सेक्शन 44 कहता है सुइटेबल अरेंजमेंट फॉर सीटिंग शैल बी गिवन एंड मेंटेन फॉर ऑल वर्कर्स व्हिच आर obliged टू वर्क इन ए स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन, जो वर्कर स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में काम कर रहे हैं इसलिए उन लोगों के लिए सुइटेबल अरेंजमेंट होना चाहिए फॉर सीटिंग, ओके, in order that they may take advantage of any opportunities for rest which may occur in the course of their work। जब खड़े होकर काम करते हैं उन समय सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट होना चाहिए ताकि वो बैठ कर भी काम कर सके, अगर कुछ आइडियल टाइम अगर मिले तो। सो फैसिलिटीज फॉर सीटिंग एज पर सेक्शन 44 सेज suitable arrangement for seating shall be provided and maintained for all workers obliged to work in a standing position in order that they may take advantage of any opportunities for rest which may occur in the course of their work, right। Then fourth, first aid appliance, coming under section 45, section 45, फास्ट एड अप्लायंस मतलब फैक्ट्री है, फैक्ट्री में अगर वर्कर काम कर रहे हैं तो पॉसिबिलिटी है इंजरी भी हो सकते हैं, तो इसलिए फास्ट एड अप्लायंस इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। सेक्शन 45 will provide that fast aid appliance shall be provided and maintained so as to be readily accessible during all working hours, or कॉप बोर्ड्स इक्विप्ड, कॉप बोर्ड्स और या फिर कॉप बोर्ड इक्विप्ड with the prescribed contents and the number of such boxes or cupboards to be provided and maintained shall not be less than for every 150 workers, जहाँ 150 वर्कर से ज़्यादा हो, इन दैट केस कपबोर्ड और या फिर फास्ट एड अप्लायंस रिक्वायर्ड। रिमेंबर 150 वर्कर से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, 150 वर्कर से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, ओके। Worker are at any one time in the factory, right। Then next, canteen coming under section 46, canteen coming under section 46, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट सेक्शन है। कैंटीन कमिंग अंडर सेक्शन 46, कैंटीन section 46 provide that if more than 250 workers are employed in a factory, remember more than 250 workers, more than 250 workers, more than 250 workers अगर वर्क कर रहे हैं are employed in a factory, in that case a canteen or canteen shall be provided and maintained by the occupier for the user of the workers. The items of expenditure in the running of the canteen which are not to be taken into account in fixing the cost of foodstuffs shall be borne by the employer. So remember, where more than 250 workers are worked, where 250 or more workers are worked in a factory, in that case canteen need to be provided as per section 46. Next, shelter, rest room and lunch room, shelter, rest room and lunch room falling under section 47, section 47. Section 47. Shelter, restroom and launch room. Means Section 47 provides that if more than 150 workers, if more than 150 workers more than 150 workers are employed, in their case adequate and suitable shelter or restroom and a suitable launch room with provision for drinking water shall be given and maintained for the use of the workers. Remember, where more than 150 workers, in that case, adequate and suitable center or restroom and suitable launch room with provision for drinking water shall be given and maintained for the use of the workers. Then creaches falling under section 48. Section 48. Section 48 creaches. Creaches means Section 48 provides that if more than 30 women worker, more than 30 women workers, women workers, right? 30 women workers are employed, there shall be provided and maintain a suitable room for the use of children under the age of 6 years. Under the age of 6 years of such women. The same shall be adequately ventilated and shall be maintained in clear and sanitary conditions and under the charge of women trained in the care of children and infants. Right? And then welfare officers coming under section 49. Section 49. Section 49 provides that if 500 or more than workers are employed in a factory, the occupier shall employ in the factory such number of welfare officers as may be prescribed. If 500 or more workers are employed in a factory, the occupier shall employ in the factory such number of welfare officers as may be prescribed. Okay, and last, power to make rules. नंबर 9 ये मेंशन नहीं है. पावर टू मेक रूल्स अंडर सेक्शन 50. पावर टू मेक रूल्स. पावर रूल कौन बना सकता है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. पावर टू मेक रूल्स by state government. Exempt any factory. State government can exempt any factory. Which are above mentioned welfare measures provided. Above mentioned welfare measures provided. जो भी वेलफेयर मेजर प्रोवाइडेड वो सब एग्जेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. सो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ पावर टू मेक रूल्स एज पर सेक्शन 50. और इसे याद रखने के लिए एक फॉर्मूला है. यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड वाईफाई फैसिलिटी फिर चलबा चलबा ली शर्मा जी। ओके, चलो वेल एंड गुड, वेल एंड गुड। ओके, सो ऐसे आप याद रख सकते हैं। वाईफाई फैसिलिटीज़, फिर चलवा ली शर्मा जी, चलो वेल एंड गुड, वाई डब्लू डब्लू फॉर you can say washing facilities. Then F for facilities for storing and drying clothing. Okay, then F for facilities for sitting. Okay, then फिर F for fast aid appliances, and then C for canteen. Okay, then S for shelter, restroom and lounge rooms, right? Then C for creaches. Then W for welfare officer. In this way you can remember easily. Wi-Fi facility, फिर चलवा ली शर्मा जी, चलो वेल एंड गुड। सो ये शॉर्टकट फार्मूला है, फनी फार्मूला। यू कैन यूज दिस फार्मूला टू रिमेंबर such important 9 point. Y W for washing facilities, then F for facilities for storing and drying, facilities for storing and drying clothing, right? Then again F for facilities for sitting, facilities for sitting. Okay, then again F for fast aid appliances, right? Then C for canteen. Okay, then S for shelters, restrooms and lounge rooms, shelters, restrooms and lounge rooms. Okay, then C for creaches. Okay, then W for welfare officer. So easily you can remember with this simple sentence. वाईफाई फैसिलिटी, फिर चलवा ली शर्मा जी, चलो ठीक है, चलो वेल एंड गुड। वाईफाई फैसिलिटी फिर से चलवा ली शर्मा जी, चलो वेल एंड गुड। Okay, so this is it all about welfare measures to be taken in a factory for the workmen employed therein as per the Factory Act 1948। सेक्शन 42 लेकर सेक्शन 50 तक चैप्टर बी के अंडर ये सब मेंशन है। फर्स्ट वॉशिंग फैसिलिटीज कमिंग अंडर सेक्शन 42, देन facilities for storing and drying clothing section 43, facilities for sitting Section 44 fast aid appliances. Section 45 canteen. Section 46 जहाँ 250 वर्कर से ज़्यादा होगा वहाँ पर कैंटीन होना मैंडेटरी है, कैंटीन। Section 46 देन नंबर 6 शेल्टर, रेस्ट रूम्स एंड लॉन्च रूम्स। Section 47 जहाँ 150 वर्कर से ज़्यादा होगा, ज़्यादा वर्कर वर्क कर रहे होंगे वहाँ पर शेल्टर, रेस्ट रूम एंड लॉन्च रूम मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा। देन क्रीचेस Section 48 जहाँ 30 वोमेन वर्कर काम कर रहे हैं। एंड देन नंबर 8 वेलफेयर ऑफिसर्स कमिंग अंडर Section 49 where 500 or more workers are work, welfare officer need to be appointed. And 9 power to make rules coming under Section 50, that is state government who exempt any factory which are above mentioned welfare measures provided. And you can remember easily with this funny word Wi-Fi facilities फिर चलवाली शर्मा जी, चलो well and good. So thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.